I'm charging my new portable light. It's easy to charge with your USB. So I'm going to test in the natural light environment in the evening. So this is a natural light. And now I'm going to put the light. You can see the difference, right? So you don't need a lot of foundation. I really like the size of the pocket light. So this with the charge and the instruction. If you have a phone charge, and you can just go directly charge. And this is a line. So I'm going to put my phone, because right now I use my phone. You cannot see my phone, but you can tell the difference. See, this is when I use a light, and this is without the light. You don't need to put a lot of foundation or makeup. So the light really helps. That made you more energy. You can see this is a really big difference, right? I really like the size because you can choose a different type of mode, and also you have a dimmer. Like you can also make brighter. But right now, I think it's bright enough to use. You see, so this is a battery. You can tell if you have the battery, so you don't need to recharge. You can tell it from the windows. This is with the light, and you put the light in front of you, and this is without the light. This is the light. Big difference, right? You don't need more foundations. And I like to go out sometimes in the evening. So it always bothers me if I have a poor light. I'm in the like a natural light right now. This environment is a natural light. So if you go with the natural light, it looks so natural, and you can also adjust. Okay, next time if I go to nightclub, if I want to take some photos with friends, and also I want to take selfie, and I want to take photos with some food. And the good thing is it's also adjustable. Put on your desk. You also can put on your desktop computer. The white colors, so easy to use. So this is the charge. It's a very simple. This is a USB. If you have any like a USB adapter, you just charge. So it's also like a different type of lighting. You see, it's a really big difference. I can also use sometimes if I like to read a book, I think it's even good to read a book. Like I always like to read when I go to the bed, so I can. You know what? Let me find my iPad, see how it's work. So I can also just clip. See? So I can also adjust that if I want to read something, and I never like it because this is, especially this is a new model. I've been thinking to buy a LED light or some type of light for my selfie, like I'm YouTuber. I don't like to carry a big size, but I really like the size. It looks modern. I'm also designer, so to me, I think the design really matters. Besides the designs, I think this is really, and it's also is a lightweight, so don't need to really care like if it's too heavy to carry the whole things. Check it out. I just got it, and I think this is really the right one for me. Okay, good night.